up, everybody? JC with Stoner Car Care. Today we are coming out from SEMA 2025, and we wanted to show you a couple of the new products that we are featuring and launching here at the show. First one, and if you've seen any of the previous videos, was my pick for favorite product that we have at the show right now. If you're not familiar with this product, this is our Liftoff Probiotic Stain and Odor Eliminator. This is a natural enzyme creating formula. So there are actually live cultures in this product that, similar to an enzyme cleaner, will create these enzymes to break down any organic matter and odors. Different from an enzyme is these make their own. So whatever stain this is sprayed onto, if it's organic, these enzymes are created by these probiotics specifically for that stain or that odor. So rather than having a specific urine or kind of milk or whatever the organic stain is, this can make it for anything. Picture it like a key master making any key he needs rather than specific keys for specific doors. With really no effort at all, this is going to break down those stains and odors and leave a nice natural lemon fragrance in its place. Next, we have our professional grade ceramic coating for glass. Now, this is a existing formula that we have in a new package that's specific for retail shelves. So we're getting a more competitive price point for people to try this product out. It comes with a new 10 ml bottle, so it's smaller than our original. However, this still contains enough product to coat the biggest SUV you have and all the glass around that entire vehicle, no problem. It also has a nice applicator pad and everything you need to complete this job, along with gloves and 2 different microfibers to do the job. Everything you need all in this one kit. And this will be launching in retail stores beginning January 2026. So make sure you check out our new version of our glass ceramic coating. Next, we have our interior detailer. This comes in 2 different forms. So we have convenient wet wipes, pre-saturated, and a traditional trigger. This, again, very easy to use on basically all of your interior surfaces. It's going to clean. It's going to leave a nice satin finish with kind of low-level shine, not anything too glossy or anything that's going to disrupt you while you're driving. Again, and leave it smelling clean, looking clean, and giving that nice satin finish. Also has some SiO2 technology, which gives it some durability. So it's actually going to protect your interior surfaces for a fairly long amount of time. Again, leaving it looking and smelling great. Again, wipes and trigger. Next is a rebrand of a product we have out. If you're familiar with our Invisible Glass Clean and Repel, this is the same thing. It is just new branded for our glass cleaner rain repellent, just to make it a little bit clearer on what this product actually does. The magic of this product is you get a durable rain repellent coating while you're cleaning the glass with no additional steps. So there's no hazing and waiting and buffing. As you clean your glass, you are getting a hydrophobic coating that's going to last weeks up to months on your windshield and does an absolutely fantastic job. We also have lots of people using this on interior glass, like their shower doors and things like that. But again, great product with a new rebrand. So check out the new look of our Clean and Repel, which is now our Glass Cleaner Rain Repellent. Next is our Invisible Glass touchscreen wipes. So everybody familiar with the SEMA show has seen how cars over the past few decades have gotten more and more into screens, less and less into actual tactical dials. That can look nice, it can look clean. I have some personal feelings about it that I'll leave out of here. But however, there's more glass and more interfaces in your car than ever. What you need is a specific cleaner to take away things like dust and fingerprints and soils that get on there, but you do not want to damage that surface. Not all of them are purely glass. Some of them have some fairly sensitive coatings on them. Some of them are actually plastics with some coatings on them. This formula is strong enough to take care of those fingerprints, take care of the dust, take care of the soils, but it's going to clean and protect that surface with no risk of damage to those touchscreens. So check these out. Also in a very convenient flat pack. Throw them in your car, throw them in the center console, throw them in the glove box, have them ready when you need them in your car. Finally, if you have not seen the star that made it through the show, the newest member of the Little Joe air freshener family is Little Duck. So again, super happy. Again, puts a smile in the air. The fragrance is Spring Rain, so it's a nice light fragrance. Smells great. And if you look at this guy and don't smile, I don't know what to say about you. But he's even giving a nice the nice Jeep wave. So check out Little Duck. He will also be available in retail stores nationwide starting in February or March 2026. So check out Little Duck and be on the lookout for life-size Joe walking around the SEMA show. So these are our new products launching at SEMA 2025. Appreciate you watching. We'll see you on the next one.